these birdies, guys?
They're all the different breeds.
They're all the different breeds. I can see one there. One there just relaxing, minding his own business. You've got another bird there. You've got another one and another one and another one behind that tree. And another one there. Two there in the little pond. Got another bird there. Some little birdies there, if you can see.
Which is the one that's whistling?
Wait, oh my god, guys. What's this there? Can you see? Look. Look at that thing there.
Oh, the beak on that. What is that?
Look at the beak on that.
It tells you what bird it is, Becca. There he is, kid.
But I have to go and see him. Who's
We were walking down there this morning and thought you could hear.
Look, there's that one with the beak and the one behind with a beak. Who's the one whistling?
In there.
Is that black one?
No, come here.
This one?
Yeah. There you go. That one there.
Let me just. Oh god.
Is this one?
You have to see him. Wait for him to do something. You've got another bird right there. Here's the whistler. Are you gonna do anything? Where's this other one? Who keeps singing?
This one? That's right, it's staying there, ain't it, now? That's that, really, man. Devil's there, kid, come out the door.
There's those birdies coming out the door. See?
I wonder if there's anything on that opposite side of that, so I'll have a look.
There. Bye bye, whistler.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Before we go home.
Here you have it. Here are all the birds. Mr. Whistler and that one up there.